Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best kitchen products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any kitchen, the Homaxy 100% Cotton Terry Kitchen Towels. If you're tired of flimsy dish towels that can't handle the job, you're in for a treat. These towels are designed to make your kitchen tasks easier and more efficient. Let's start with the material. These towels are made from 100% cotton, which means they're both durable and soft. They're built to last, and unlike synthetic towels, they won't trap odors. You can feel the difference in the texture, which is especially important when you're using them for wiping down surfaces, drying dishes, or even cleaning up spills. One of the standout features of these Homaxy towels is their super-absorbent terry cloth structure. The thick, textured design allows them to soak up moisture quickly, so whether you're drying hands, wiping dishes, or cleaning the countertop, they do the job efficiently. The best part is they dry fast, so you won't be left with soggy towels hanging around. These towels measure 13 by 28 inches, a generous size that's perfect for everyday use. You get a set of 4, which makes them ideal for rotating between tasks or even using in different areas of the kitchen. Plus, their black checkered design adds a touch of style to your kitchen decor. When it comes to care, these towels are easy to maintain. Simply toss them in the machine with cold water on a gentle cycle, tumble dry on low, and you're good to go. Just avoid bleach and fabric softeners to keep the towels in tip-top shape. With proper care, these towels will continue to perform beautifully for months to come. So, if you're looking for a set of kitchen towels that combine softness, durability, and performance, the Homaxy 100% Cotton Terry Kitchen Towels are a fantastic choice. They're not just dish towels, they're kitchen essentials that make life a little easier. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews like this one. See you next time.